In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear next to Password Manager at the top right corner. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on, log in to any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, use this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!